The Tale of Ewe Ikoko, Orunmila's Wife. In a time long ago, the wisdom of Orunmila, the master of divination, was known far and wide. He was a man of great patience and understanding, but even the wise are not immune to trials, especially those that test the heart. This is the story of Ewe Ikoko, a woman who became both a challenge and a lesson in Orunmila's life. The insolent wife Ewe Ikoko was Orunmila's wife, a woman who carried a streak of insolence that often strained their relationship. One day, she was told through divination that she needed to offer a rooster as a sacrifice to her own head, Ileri, to quell her growing insolence. But Ewe Ikoko refused, her defiance growing stronger. When she became pregnant, her behavior worsened. Her insolence turned into bitterness, and though Orunmila bore her mood with patience, it was a heavy burden. Eventually, she gave birth to a child, but instead of bringing peace, her resentment deepened. Deceit and betrayal. Ewe Ikoko began spreading lies about Orunmila to their neighbors, claiming he starved her and treated her poorly. Her bitterness took a darker turn. She deliberately oversalted her own meals to make it seem she was neglected, and went so far as to taint Orunmila's food with ot, alcohol, knowing it violated his spiritual prohibitions. But destiny has a way of revealing the truth. One day, in front of the gathered community, the newborn child, too young to speak by mortal reckoning, miraculously addressed the crowd. The child revealed all of Ewe Ikoko's treachery, leaving no room for doubt. Orunmila's decision. Orunmila, though deeply hurt, remained calm. He declared that he could no longer live with Ewe Ikoko and sought justice. He turned to Ogun, the Orisha of iron and justice, to intervene. Ewe Ikoko, realizing the severity of her actions, sought out anyone who might mediate on her behalf. She pleaded with countless individuals to intercede with Orunmila. Moved by her persistence and the pleas of others, Orunmila eventually agreed to forgive her. However, his forgiveness came with an unyielding condition: they would no longer live together. Their union was over, but Orunmila granted her one lasting grace, a symbol that would endure through the ages. A symbol of redemption. Orunmila decreed that from that moment forward, all ibases, offerings, would be wrapped in the malanga leaf, the leaf of taro. This gesture honored Ewe Ikoko and ensured that every offering would be well received, blessed by the symbolic grace of her redemption. And so, to this day, in the sacred traditions of Ifa, every Igbo is wrapped in the malanga leaf, a reminder of the story of Ewe Ikoko. It symbolizes forgiveness, the lasting consequences of one's actions, and the power of redemption through humility and persistence. The lesson. This tale teaches us the importance of respect, humility, and the consequences of our choices. Even in the face of betrayal, Orunmila demonstrated patience and wisdom, showing that forgiveness can be granted, but trust, once broken, may not be easily restored. May this story inspire us to act with integrity, honor our commitments, and seek harmony in our relationships. Ase.